Hello everyone, my name is Chuck Young. My channel currently covers 3 topics. Stock market analysis. I have an Easy Trade Educator series. I trade the stock market full-time now. Number 2, Argentine tango dance videos. That's my hobby. Number 3, how to do certain things in less than 5 minutes. If you like the contents of my video, please subscribe to my channel so you can get automatic notification of any new videos. In this video, we demonstrate how to use a sewing machine. This is the front picture of the Singer sewing machine, model number 5528. And this is the rear picture of the sewing machine. Now, to learn to use this sewing machine, you could read this manual and spend 2 days trying to figure out how to make it work. Or you could just watch my video. We have an experienced tailor that describe how to use it.
Click that into the guide. And for bobbin winding, you come around underneath this little round loop-de-loop. Okay. So we kind of have a little grab handle there. We're going to loosen the clutch and then push that, engage the bobbin winder.
Okay.
And after we've got a few threads wound, we can clip that tail off.
This, because I'm going to keep it so you can
We're going to
run
fill it.
all the way.
We're going to fill it.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you're getting a nice even wind on that, so that's good. And it's going to go into that groove and pull back into it, and then into the clip of the spring. So it needs to go all the way seated in there. And then you open that hinge, put it in, and make sure that this position finger is up and that it's seated in there and not popping back out or anything. So to thread this, now we're going to come back and pull it through this slot, this guide here.
Okay.
Underneath.
Oh, that guide. Okay.
And there's a little metal blade there that it goes in between. Whoops, now I'm got it going the wrong way. So it's there, and then down through the tension on the left, and then up. And when that's all the way up, then you just pull it into that. Kind of looks like a bird head or something to me.
So
and then
down,
into that thread guide.
Down, up, down.
Yeah. And then there's a thread guide there.
Yeah.
And then through the needle. You'll want to get some extra needles.
Wow, you still have good eye.
The light's in a good position on this machine, so that helps. Okay, and
then just pull both back.
Right. So,
you already went down and back up, right? Okay.
Yeah, I went down, up, through, and then.
No, I mean, did you
yeah,
turn?
I did the loop.
You did the loop.
Yep, yep, I did the loop. Yep. So I brought that bobbin thread up.
Okay.
Yeah. Comes through and snaps into that little guide there. and then it's going to come back around there and through the little clip. There are tension discs by this numbered dial, so it needs to come down through there, up, and then with this take-up lever in its highest position on this machine, you don't have to thread it. You can just pull it through.
Pull it through. Okay.
Yep.
And
then we follow the guides on down. And this is where everybody I know spits on the thread, including little kids. Oops. And then you are on camera, so you can't thread the needle. There we go. All right. So once it's properly threaded, you just move that knob toward you, and it's going to bring that bobbin thread up.
Oh.
Okay. And now you're good to go. You never want to sew without fabric under the presser foot.
Okay.
And you don't want, well, a few different things, but you just want to make sure that you always have fabric.
Something
right. The other thing that happens, if you don't put the presser foot down, the tension doesn't engage, so it won't make a correct stitch for a couple of different reasons. But the tension is released when you bring up your, the upper tension is released when you bring up the presser foot. That's that lever on the back. So we're going to go to a regular zigzag, which is number the regular one is number 1.
Oh, number 1.
And we're going to look at about fairly wide. That doesn't look too bad.
Okay.
Yeah. So.
Okay, that's the basic steps for operating a single brand sewing machine. If this is helpful to you, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.